Right, to begin with, you make sure your hands are dry and clean. So you wash them dry and clean. And then, using a nail file, you file your nails, making sure they are smooth onto each nail. Okay, and then you apply your base coat. So you have to make sure any excess on your nail, you wipe it clean. So this is an OPI, natural nail base coat. The base coat protects the nail from damaging effects of the nail polish. This includes yellowing of the nail and prevents the nail to become brittle. With a base coat on the nail polish has become something to stick to. So since the base coat acts as a barrier between the natural nail and the nail polish. Now you'll select your nail colour. So try to use a quick dry paint. This is a gel effect nail polish. As you can see, it's long wear. Then you apply the colour on. This particular nail polish I bought from Primark, which cost me only £1, which isn't entirely expensive. It's a gel varnish which would give you a lovely shine to the nail. The thing I like about this nail polish, the actual brush itself, as you can see, it's very wide, so it covers the nail lovely. So you apply the nail polish to each nail. I mean, it's entirely up to you. You can do one coat on the nails, or you can do 2 coats. I prefer 2 coats. It just makes a better effect on the nail. But that's everyone's own preference. So you make sure you cover the entire nail. As you can see here, I'm starting from the bottom of the nail, flicking to the top. Onto my last nail. Right, I've reached to the end now, making sure the whole nail is covered. That looks quite pretty. Try to choose a nail varnish colour, which complements your skin very well. In this case, I've chosen a bright cherry red nail polish, which I think looks very pretty. Okay, now I'll be applying the latex tape. This latex tape you paint around your skin, around the nail, onto the skin. It doesn't have to be neat, you just apply it onto the skin so that when you are making your stamps, even if you get the stamp onto your skin, it'll go onto the tape, which you can peel off after you've completed all your nails. So just apply it on very roughly, making sure you don't get it on the actual nail. You don't want to ruin your actual nail polish. So you apply it on. This is fun, isn't it? Very therapeutic as well. So I'll carry on as normal. It's looking like Father Christmas beard, isn't it? So you make sure you cover the entire skin. Okay, so now I'm reaching to the end, making sure I've got all the coverage there. I'm quite happy with that actually. Now I'll be applying my second coat of my nail polish. Try to apply this coat neatly on your nail. It doesn't matter if you get the actual nail polish onto the white tape, because you'll be peeling that white tape off anyway when you complete your nails. So you carry on applying the polish until you get to the end. Alright, so I've reached to the end now, and I think that looks absolutely gorgeous. What do you think? Lovely. Now my stage 1 is complete. I'll be moving on to stage 2 now. Right, this is my stamping kit. So you choose a design that complements the shape of your nail. I'll be choosing this bicycle design. But this is the actual paint which you apply onto your template. You have to make sure you cover the entire template. This template has grooves on it, so the paint that you're applying sits into the grooves. So you make sure every groove is covered. As you can see, me applying the paint. Okay, and then you wipe away the excess. You also get this in the kit as well, this plastic excess wiper. And that's my stamp, which I've stamped. Look through the stamp and push down onto the nail like this and move side to side, covering your entire nail with the stamp, looking through, and that is what it looks like. How pretty does that look? See, can you see the access around onto the tape? Right, you clean the template to reuse for your next nail. You clean it with a tissue. So you don't apply any nail part varnish remover or anything, you just wipe it away. So you'll be doing this onto every time you paint each nail, you'll be wiping the excess away. So you carry on as normal. Make sure it's completely wiped away. You don't want to have any excess paint. The cleaner your template is, the better effect you get. So you continue as normal. Every groove has to be covered. Go girl, looking good. Okay, once I've finished, I put nail varnish remover onto my cotton pad and I wipe away all the paint that's left onto the template, making sure it's completely wiped away. Next time I use it, I don't want to see any paint on that. It has to be completely clean. And that is the result of my nails. You could choose any design you like, any colour, any pattern. Stage 2 is complete now. I'm moving on to stage 3 now. I've peeled off all the white tape around the nail, as you can see. Very neat. And once I've done that, I'll be moisturising my hands, especially around the fingers. You can use any moisturiser as long as it's quite deep and rich in moisture. So you just apply a drop of moisturiser, and this is what your nails look like after they've been moisturised. Beautiful. Very easy to do. Right, we're on to stage 3 now. Here are different types of stamps that you could be using on your nails. So you can see the elephant there. You can choose any design you like. Thank you for watching.